Hi! So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of Rise of the Tomb Raider game guide that I got in today. I actually got it in before I got my game, so I actually haven't gotten my game from Square Enix yet. Apparently it's somewhere in Vancouver, so hopefully I should get it sometime this week. Release was like 3 days ago and I haven't gotten it yet. Not too terribly happy about that, but I guess what can you do? Oh, and of course that doesn't work. There we go. So this is how she comes. Nice hardcover. Still plastic wrapped. In the back here there is, I get a free download game guide. And then there is the keychain that you get as well. Also some bonus edition stuff. Usually I don't like to use the game guides when I first play a game. I usually do it on my second run just to get all of the extra little bits because I like to complete everything. But I like having them nonetheless. Just, you know, collector's reasons, even though I do take them out of the package and I do use them. So let's see. So there is, let's do the keychain. Just pops out like that. Little plastic bits. Nice metal. You can see there. Yeah, not too bad. There we go, get it in focus. Cool. I like it. Now we can focus on the book. Don't want to give too much away. I'll just do like a little quick flip, just in case some people here have gotten it. But achievements, all the maps. Looks like nice screenshots. Oh, there's here's your major character. There's Jonah. I love Jonah. He's so cute. There's Laura's different outfits. I believe those were in the cards for the pre-order. Not 100% sure on that, but I believe so. Some, I'm assuming, bad guys that I obviously haven't gotten to play yet, so we'll see. And then just pretty much how to do stuff. Oh, there's other outfits. Here's your guns, your ammo, collection, using your map, all that fun stuff. So yeah, that's basically that. With a lovely, awesome keychain that I'm going to be putting on my bag right away. Anyways, thanks for watching.